Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you about how to turn your iPad into a digital photo frame. Step 1. Before you start, select or create an album to add photos to it. It can do this with photos already on the iPad or share them from the other Apple devices using iCloud. iCloud photo sharing. This lets you add more photos to the iPad photo frame without having to navigate away from the Photos app. However, you will need to restart the slideshow before any newly added images show up. Step 2. To make sure the iPad doesn't respond to other controls, you need to enable guided access. This is a feature found by going to accessibility and guided access in the settings app. Guided access lets you lock your iPad to an app by triple pressing the home button or the power button. While you are here, set the display auto lock to never to make sure the iPad stays on and stay up a guided access passcode and set up a guided access passcode so only you and others you can trust can disable. Guided access, just make sure you make a note of what the passcode is. Step 3. A non-essential but useful step to take now is enabling Do Not Disturb in silent mode. These will prevent notification or other pop-ups from interrupting your photos. You can do this by opening Control Center and tapping the crescent moon and cross through bell icons. They turn the grayscale to colored icons when they are active. If there is not a DND moon symbol, tap and hold the button to open the focus mode menu and select DND from there. Step 4. Now it's time to set the slideshow going in the Photos app. Open the album you want to use and enable the slideshow feature by tapping the 3 dots button in the top right corner and selecting slideshow. Use the options button in the bottom right to adjust the background music. Then set the speed and transition style to your liking. The slideshow should now be in the motion, but if it is not, press the play button in the bottom center of the screen. Step 5. Once the slideshow is going, enable guided access to stop the iPad from turning off or using other apps. Do this by triple pressing the home button or power button. Step 6. There are a few last minute options to set here before your iPad is ready to start its job as your new photo frame. Tap the options button in the bottom left and turn off the touch home button, top button and volume button to stop and anyone deliberately or accidentally messing up your settings. After that, select start. If you did not do it before, you need to enter and re-enter a PIN code that will let you disable guided access later. Step 7. Sit back and enjoy the slideshow. If you want to do something else with the iPad, such as update software, then triple press the home button, power button and enter your chosen pin to disable guided access mode. From here you can exit the slideshow and navigate the iPad normally. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos and guides like this. Thank you so much.